Okay, I wanted to do something I learned today from Jason and John at Autodesk. Trying to do what we call a two-vice job. This is setup 1, and this would be operation 2. I made a view here, so this is setup 2. So we'll call this left vice, right vice, G54, G55. And I have this one has its own number 2 would spit out G55. I even have program number up here, because so if we wanted to do it independently. So this is how we always used to do it. We used to do it independent. But if we really want to set up for real production, I want both operations. So you gotta have independent setups. So when I went to post that with, and it'll give you this multiple setups warning, and I use, we're using our cloud posts, the standard Haas post that I just put a couple of different things in, and I would hit post, go write a new one, hit save. Of course I got the new black screen editor, and I end up with fail. Failed to see below post processor. Who's got the time to read all this? Using multiple. Oh, here it says right here. Using. I should have just read this. Using is not possible if initial work offset is set to 0. Of course, I had to be told that today, and all I needed to do, I just thought it needed a special post. Let me just go in and edit. Oops, sorry. Edit this one and change this to a 1. I don't need to click the multiple. I tried it both ways. So this is setup 1. It's highlighted, and setup 2. So I get both. Post. The warning comes up. Program 1001. Got the right post here. Gonna rewrite that one, and it comes up just fine. G54, and I'm just going to go Control N, and right there, G55 should be the other operation. And this would be the face mill that's chopping its way down to 0. So, alright, so that worked fine. Let me just try one more here, because it said post, okay. And a selection here says reorder to minimize tool changes. I'm going to see if that works. I've never tried this. Post, save, yes. Like the face mill. There's a face mill come up twice. Yes, it does. Alright, so it's tool 1, G54 does this. It's got stop here, but it's not really stopping. Good. Shut the coolant off, go to home, new work coordinate, new position, new height offset, not really needed, but it would be fine. And go over this side. Okay, and then it does adaptive. So pretty much everything would be first vice until it gets to the end. And this would be the, drilling. So when the chamfer tool came up, it would able to go to the G55 side, right? Okay. Oh, that way of doing it. Pretty easy. So things you learned today. I was also trying to work on this one. I was calling this the 2-op together. And what I would do in this one is put in the vise, and I have my step jaws in there. I haven't finished setting it up, but design, manufacture. So we have the 2 setups are in there. Only it's in this case it would try to machine from the bottom. So for demonstration purposes, it wouldn't work too well. I'd actually literally have to have both parts, which would be fine. That would be a correct virtual demonstration of both setups. So I got to figure out how to do that. But then if we did the two setups together, that should work. Okay. All right. Enough blathering for me. I'm going to